Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to do a unbox iPhone X in 2022. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So, I just bought a used iPhone X 64GB. So, this is the free gift, a transparent normal case, very nice. And the full covered tempered glass, as you can see. Alright, so this is the free gift. So here's the box of the iPhone X, 2017 flagship, and the first ever iPhone with full screen. Alright, let's unbox it. Designed by Apple in California. Also got a manual book, as you can see. Hello, information, and the how to do. Yeah. So here's the phone. Space gray iPhone X. And as you can see here, 100% means I got a battery health with 100%. That's very nice. I'm not sure what is this. 64GB and some Chinese language I don't understand. So later up I'm going to clean it up. Alright, so here's the phone. What else we get? A lightning connector of local earphone. This is not the original, as you can see. The original should have the, at the back here, it should have a 3.5mm to lightning connector, but this one it doesn't get. Cable also it's local, not original. And the last one also a local of power adapter. It's not original. Alright. So let's take a look at the phone. Very nice. And this one I bought a 1-year warranty. So that means, as you can see, the sticker, you can't remove this sticker till after 1 year. After that, after the 1 year, then you can remove this sticker. So if you remove this sticker now, example, your warranty will stop. So I will keep it 1 year, and after the 1 year I will remove it. And this one, the owner shop said I can remove this now without stop the warranty. Yeah, still in good condition, very nice. Alright, so the phone already been set up by me just now, and the reach the lock screen and the home screen, very nice. And just now I checked in the setting, this is Italian set, very nice. It's not a Malaysian set, it's Italian set. Everything is working perfectly, no problem at all. Even the camera is work really good. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unbox iPhone X in 2022 in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.